True friend talaga. Bella kasama ni Kimi at inamin na iniyakan ang demanda sa ate niya. Todo suporta si Bella Padilla kay Kim Chiu, especially sa sitwasyong kinakaharap na problema ng kaibigan niya sa kapatid na sila Kam Chiu. Yeah, I've known about it for quite some time. Pag-amin ni Bella, alam na ni Bella ang nangyari kay Kim bago pa man niya sampahan ang kaso sa korte sila Kam. Pahayag ni Bella, yeah, that's why I flew to Cebu a few months ago and I texted her on the day it came out in the news also. Sabi ni Kim, I think it's harder kasi when people know about it because obviously everybody has something to say. That's one of the cons of the internet. So, I just didn't want her to be, na parang ayoko na, not just alone. Parang ayokong ma-feel niya na the world has something to say about what she's going through. Because obviously, you guys, we don't know all the details. So I just didn't want the world to feel unfair to Kim. Tinext niya raw si Kim. Yeah, I texted her na if she needs anything, I am here. She knows that naman. Kumalat sa SOCMED na kay Bella daw umiyak ng husto si Kim. Madami naman sambit ni Bella. She also has Kim has a very big support system kasi napaka-generous ni Kim na tao. So, marami kaming nakaantabay, not just me. Angelica Panganiban was also there for her. Si Twinkle, her sister, her brothers are here in town. So, alam mo yon. Si Direk Loren Jogi, lumipad din sa Cebu nung lumipad ako. So marami po kaming naghihintay din na magsabi lang si Kim na kailangan ko ng tulong. And we're ready.
I'm sure she also Kim has a very big support system kasi napaka-generous ni Kim na tao. So marami kaming nakaantabay. Not just me, Angelica's also there for her. Ang dami, si Twinkle, her sister, her brothers are here in town. So alam mo yun, si Direk Lauren lumipad din sa Cebu nung lumipad ako. So marami po kaming naghihintay na parang
dahil so close friends sila, marami ang nag-akala na alam ni Bella ang plano ni Kim sa pag-file ng case against Lakam. No, I wasn't privy to like everything she would do, tanggi ni Bella. Tinanong namin si Bella kung kumusta si Kim ngayon. She's okay. She's working. Ang ganda ng The Alibay. Ang lakas ng suporta sa Alibay. So si Kim naman, I love her mindset na para kung eto ang problema ko. But I have to focus on this right now. Then I focus on this right now. Sagot ni Bella. Speaking of Angelica Panganiban, parehong may entry sa 2025 Metro Manila Film Festival ang mga kaibigan ni Kim. May chance na parehong manominate si Bella at Angelica sa kanilang respective Metro Manila Film Festival entries this year. Ay, hindi ko po ginalingan masyado, biro ni Bella. Sakto lang po yung binigay ko dito. Gusto ko po lahat kami pantay-pantay. Wow, charot lang, but syempre po, binigay ko lang kung ano ang nararapat. Pero light lang naman po, kasi yung karakter ko. Salamat din kina Bella at Angelica na palaging andyan din sa likod ni Kim at nakasuporta sa dalaga. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more info.